I've been lucky enough to get my hands on the new MacBook Air. This is a great MacBook and I'm ready to unbox it. So this MacBook has got an Intel i5, 8GB of RAM, 512GB of storage, and it also comes with Touch ID. Let's get our first impressions. As you can see, we've got the silver color, which in my opinion is quite nice actually. So that is the new MacBook Air. I can tell you that compared to the MacBook Pro, this is a lot slimmer. Now let's just put that on the side just for now so we can see what's in the box. So as usual, you do get the instruction manual where it tells you all about it, all the features it's got, and all that stuff, as well as the Apple stickers. If you look here, we also get the USB-C to USB-C cable, which comes with this, the power brick. This does not come with the iPhone 12 or most of the new phone devices. However, they're still in the iPads and still on the MacBooks, as you can see. So, as you can see, it's got a really nice keyboard in my opinion, which is backlit, and the screen also has True Tone display, which is something they've been adding for the past year. This is the 2020 MacBook, so it is refreshed compared to the other models. So as you can see, this charger's got the same design as the MacBook Pro, although it's just a little bit smaller. So you just simply connect this together, and then when you're ready, you can plug in your USB-C to the USB-C cable on the Mac. So like I said earlier, this does support Touch ID, which is a really nice feature for it. It does not have a touch bar, because that's only on the MacBook Pro series. Whereas on this, you do get Touch ID at least, which is quite nice when unlocking and paying for payments like using Apple Pay, or just having to change settings, for example. Okay, here we've got the two different MacBooks. This is the MacBook Pro, and this is the MacBook Air. This has got the magic backlit keyboard, whereas this has got the butterfly keyboard. So straight from the screen, I can see that they look almost identical. I can't really pick out anything that easily. Apart from the screen on the MacBook Air, it looks a little bit brighter, and the colors look a little bit weaker, actually. And if we look onto the trackpad, they feel exactly the same. I don't feel any difference between them. They're both really, really good. Obviously, because the MacBook Pro is a MacBook Pro, it has to have better hardware. So for this to be possible, it is a lot thicker than the MacBook Air. So as you can see on this one, this looks a lot thicker compared to the MacBook Air, which is slim and sleek and a lot lighter, actually. If I hold them both in my hands, I can see that the MacBook Pro probably weighs almost 3 times as much as the MacBook Air. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my other videos.